birds perched on the ice floes gathered together, singing in the cold wind, looking cold and disdainful, which was really cool. The chirping sound frightened the little snowflakes nearby and made them shiver. The iceberg is breaking, and it is like its still and unmoving yoga master, accepting the test of the earthquake calmly. The life of birds here is so lively. The birds flying in the sky cover the sky with their wings spread out. No one should bask in the sun today, just watch the flying show. An adult bird is teaching its chick in the water. The parent-child love is so deep that it could be on TV for a parenting show. Everyone who sees it will say, "This is what true maternal love looks like." The solo fledgling is not willing to be lonely. Look, it is concentrating on studying hard and practicing diligently like a martial arts master. Its diligence is admirable. It was now time for the ring competition with all kinds of verbal and feather fighting scenes. The atmosphere was tense and exciting, almost blinding. They fought fiercely in the ring, but unfortunately, it was hard to tell the winner. There is also a drama of chasing each other and drifting on the water surface. The birds' water competition is even more exciting than car racing. The land is also a show for the birds. They all show off their talents. Not only are their steps steady, but their expressions are also well managed. On this side of the swamp, it was picky while hunting, a typical foodie. The scene of aerial ballet should not be underestimated. Looking at them dancing gracefully like the Snow Queen, who dares to say that this is not the fashion vein of the polar regions? These fangirls, who were reluctant to leave, looked at our cruise ship with a look that said, "Goodbye. Don't miss me too much."